Hey art friends, today we're going to draw Pompompurin. I love Sanrio so much, especially because my little Olivia loves Sanrio, and one of her favorite characters is Pompompurin, so I thought it'd be fun to draw him today. This is a really cute little golden retriever. So I hope you're excited. You're going to follow along with me. We're going to use our markers to draw and color with, but you can always use whatever you have. Let's first draw his nose. In the middle of our paper towards the top, we're going to draw a small oval and color it in. Then we can draw his mouth. We're gonna draw his little puppy mouth curving around on the left. Looks like the letter J. Then we're gonna draw that same letter J but backwards for the other side. Then we can draw his eyes. We're gonna draw really small circles and color them in. I tried to match the same distance, but this one's a little closer to the nose, but that's okay. All right, now let's draw his beret. We're gonna draw his little hat on top of his head. We're gonna draw it right above his eyes. We'll first draw, it looks like a smile line for the bottom of the hat. Then we're gonna draw the top of the hat curving around and down. Then we could also draw the top, the little thing that sticks out of the top. Okay, there's his little beret. Now we're ready to draw his head and ears and body. Let's start with the side of his head. We're gonna draw, we'll leave a little space. We're gonna draw a curve coming down and we'll draw that same curve on the right side. And we left some space in between the hat and the side of the head so that we can draw the ears. We're gonna start at the hat. We're gonna draw it curving out, go out further, and then curve back into the head. And then we can do that same line and curve over here and back into his head. Now we're ready to draw his arms. Let's draw this head or the side of his head coming in just a little further. We can start curving it into his neck. And then we'll draw his arm. We're gonna draw it coming down, kind of like his ears. Curve around, and then we'll come back into his body. And we can do the same thing on this side. Curve around and into his armpit. Now we're ready to draw his body. Let's come out to his hands, and we're gonna draw it curving and in. And then we'll do the same thing over here. And then down at the bottom, we're gonna leave a little space, but then draw the bottom of his body. It kind of looks like this curve continues, but we're leaving a little space for his legs. And then we can draw those coming down, curving around, and then connecting into the bottom of his body. And then the same for this side. And we did it. We finished drawing Pompompurin, except we still need to color him. Yellow for his body and also brown for his beret. Let's speed things up. And we did it, we finished coloring our drawings. I really hope you'll take time to color yours too. You can also add a background to really finish your drawings. It's pretty simple to color him. We just use two colors, a nice golden retriever yellow, and also a brown for his hat. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me. I'm sure your drawings turned out awesome, even though they probably look a little different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.